Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily draft a pencil skirt pattern with very easy steps that are very beginner friendly. If you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So as you can see, I've drawn a horizontal line here and this is going to be my waistline. I'm just going to label it as my waistline and it's also going to be my starting point. Okay, so next I'm going to find my waist circumference, divide by 4 by placing the measuring tape around my waist, then divide by 4. So I'm just going to mark it right there. Then next I'm going to find my waist to hip measurement by placing the measuring tape from my waist down to my hip. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. And I'm going to label this as my hip line. Okay, so next I'm going to determine the full length of my skirt by placing the measuring tape from my waist down to the desired length. If you want your skirt to be mini, you can go up to your thighs. If you want to be midi, up to your knees. If you want to be long, up to the floor length. It's up to you. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line and label this as my full length. Next, I'm going to go on my hip line. But before we do that, remember I have already put my waist circumference divide by 4, which was 8 inches. So I'm going to do the same on my hip. I'll put my hip circumference divide by 4, which is 10 inches. I'm going to mark it right there. Then I'm going to pencil the skirt by getting the measurement on my hip, then subtract 1.5. So my hip circumference divided by 4 was 10. So my full length will be 8.5. 10 minus 1.5, which is going to be 8.5 inches. So that is how you easily pencil the skirt. So next I'm just going to connect the points. So that's my waist to hip. Then on my hip, I'm just going to go downwards by 1 inch and make a straight line. Then connect it down to the pencil full length. Okay, so next we're going to make the darts. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So next we're going to make the dart, and to make the darts we're going to go on the waistline, find the midpoint of the waist. Then on the waistline, on the midpoint, I'm going to go downwards by 4 inches or 2 inches. I'll just go down by 4 inches, then I'll go straight. Then go outwards by half an inch on each side, then connect to make the dart. So this is very easy steps, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more free sewing patterns.